So Doogee would be launching the S118 in June as well. That's after the brand has reviewed the S-Punk and the VMAX Plus. So it seems these devices will launch simultaneously, but I don't really know, but they'll be launching in June. And the top specs of the S118 are reviewed, and according to the details, the device will have 8GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. It's going to be powered by the Helio G99, which is not bad. It is equipped with a 10,800 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. The device also features what appears to be a quad rear camera setup, and the main sensor is 50 MP. The phone runs on the Android 14 OS, and it supports NFC. So these are just some of the top details of the upcoming S118. Like I mentioned earlier, it's likely going to launch in June. And as regarding its price, I don't really know yet. And of course, I'll be comparing this device with the S110 and the S100 to point out the differences and similarities among them. So these are just the few details I have for you guys. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.